In this video we're going to be working on the LG Aristo 2. It came in for no power and I have a strong reason to believe that it's a charging port issue. I plugged the charging cable in, I took the board out of the phone, I plugged the charging cable in, and I'm not testing 5 volts from the connector on the inside. So 5 volts is not reaching from the charging cable to the logic board. The amp meter shows 0 amp draw, which means the battery is not being charged. We do have the charging ports in stock, so let's go ahead and remove the port, change it. Let's grab a connector. And right over here. Very good. So now what I want to do is solder the front pins. If we test, solid, solid. And everything is solid from here. Let's flip the board and do the back. And for the back, I'm gonna change the tip to something bigger. And the job's done. We put the phone back together. Big Boss already tested and he said it's working, but let's go ahead and test together. And as you can see, the phone is being charged at 0.64 amps and 0% charge right now. The phone is totally dead. The charging port looked good, but no voltage was reaching the phone, so I made the decision that the charging port is what's causing the problem. We changed the charging port even though it looked good, and the problem is fixed. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.